Natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 100 chart. We remain in negative MACD, but approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD and seeing signs of a diverge. We're slightly off of oversold condition with the RSI. And as we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $18.09, and that is its range here. My sell target is at $20.04. My stop loss is at $17.40. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $20.53, and that is its range there. My sell target is at $18.82. My stop loss is at $21.05. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the fifth day, or week of trading, natural gas has a 40% chance to climb between 0 to 6%, a 20% chance to climb between 6 to 13%. Into the downside, it has a 20% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6%, and a 20% chance to fall between negative 6 to negative 13%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.